guys, my name is Riley. Today we're gonna make an experiment on this dirt mountain.
What are we gonna make?
Volcano! Yay! Woo! 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 So this is our trowel to make the map of the volcano. This is the jar. This is the This is vinegar, and this is the baking soda. Also need a food coloring. Just forgot. But don't worry. Now we have it. We're gonna cover this up. Make sure there's no dirt coming in the jar. You can use it with your hand, but I'm just gonna use it with the trowel. This is our volcano and vinegar food coloring. And once the vinegar, baking soda, is open, we're gonna put the baking soda inside of here. Yeah, that's how we can make a volcano. Put all of the baking soda. It's a little bit of dirt,
Yeah.
but don't worry. And then put some food coloring.
Okay, open it. Slowly, yeah.
We're gonna drop and squeeze.
Sige pa. More.
Squeeze. 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 Just a little bit harder.
Yan, okay na. And then, the last one.
It is. Finally, put some vinegar.
Ikaw na, you do the honors.
Yes! A volcano! Woohoo! Yay! There's all of the vinegar. Well, that's the success of the volcano. It's still erupting.
The simmering magma.
Yeah, simmering now.
There you go.
That's yeah. So I hope you liked that video. Make sure to like and subscribe.